a Jaguar fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force crashed in Churu district of Rajasthan. The crash caused a fire in nearby fields, triggering panic in the area. News agencies claim that the body of one pilot has been found in the wreckage. From its X handle, the Indian Air Force has confirmed the Jaguar crash and the death of both pilots. The cause of the crash is under investigation. Today, the India Alliance launched a major Chakka Jam protest across Bihar, opposing the Election Commission's voter list revision. Roads and railway tracks were blocked in Hajipur, Sonpur, Jahanabad, Maneer and Gandhi Setu. Protesters burned tires and stopped vehicles, alleging anti-poor bias and fear of mass name deletions. Senior BJP leader Ravi Shankar Prasad sharply attacked the opposition's Bihar Bandh, calling it a planned drama to mislead people. He said the protest over voter list revision is baseless as its legal process. He alleged Congress is pressuring the Supreme Court before tomorrow's hearing. The protest ended after Rahul and Tejasvi Yadav left the march site. The Supreme Court has refused to urgent hearing on a plea to stop the release of the film Udaipur Files based on the Kanhaiya Lal murder case. The plea was filed by the accused Mohammad Javed, saying it may affect his fair trial. The film released on July 11. The bench of Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia and Joymala Bagchi said, "Let it release. The case will now be listed before the appropriate bench on July 14." A new FATF report has made a shocking revelation. The explosive used in 2019 Pulwama terror attack was purchased from e-commerce site Amazon. In another case, terrorists got 6.7 lakh rupees through PayPal to fund the Gorakhnath temple attack. Terror groups are now misusing digital platforms for weapons and explosives. Nimisha Priya, an Indian nurse sentenced to death in Yemen in 2018 for killing a local man, facing execution on July 16. The Indian government is making strong diplomatic and humanitarian efforts to save her. Her family has offered rupees $1 million as blood money to the victim's family. At least 9 people were died and 6 were hurt after a vehicle fell into the Mahisagar River when the Gambhira Bridge collapsed in Vadodara, Gujarat. The bridge was built in 1985 and was under regular maintenance. CM Bhupendra Patel ordered a probe. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed condolences and announced 2 lakh rupees compensation for each victim's family. Rescue operations are still underway. In May 2005, during the 4-day Operation Sindoor, the Indian Air Force used 30 kg air-powered X-Guard decoy system to mislead Pakistan. The Pakistani military mistook it for a Rafale jet and claimed to shoot it down. A former US F-16 pilot called it game-changing electronic warfare move. Meanwhile, Rafale maker Dassault Aviation denied media reports about CEO Eric Trapper commenting on the operation. In a major action, an Islamabad court has ordered the blocking of 27 YouTube channels. These include channels of journalists, activists, and former PM Imran Khan. The order came after the Pakistan's FIA gave proof of anti-state content. The investigation by FIA started on June 2. Former UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak has joined Goldman Sachs as a senior advisor. He started his career there in 2001. Now he will guide global clients on economy and world issues. He is still an MP and will donate his salary to his local Richmond charity.